Hey guys, it is Tristan with Nerdette's NewsStand, and I want to talk a little bit about the price changes and stuff that's going on right now. It seems like there's been a lot of outrage peddling when it comes to this. Like, oh my god, it's $7.99. It's gonna be so expensive. Don't forget to buy our $25 comic book. Yeah, tell me how much sense that makes. I'm just kidding. There are people out there that I have no problem backing their indie creation, like God King, because they have the reputation that I deem worthy. Again, I've said it in a lot of videos. You kind of support who you want with your dollar, and if your reputation precedes yourself, then good. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you like the video, of course, hit that like button. Check out the links in the description. Share all that fun stuff. Now, let's take a look at this article that came out from Cosmic Book News. And then I have some pictures I want to show you towards the end of the video of my personal collection to show you kind of the difference we're talking about here. So it came out in Cosmic Book News, and it just says, DC Comics in dire straits. Oh, well, that's nothing new. But even so, jacking up the line, priced at $7.99. Now, they are not, and we'll get into it, but they are not talking about your everyday floppy. They are talking about Black Label, the comics that I actually prefer at this point. They are talking about the good quality books that, in my eyes, are honestly worth it. When Damned came out, I think it was priced at $5.99. Now they've kind of gone up to $7.99. Like some of them, the Birds of Prey book that's coming out, I'm not sure right off the top of my head when it's coming out, but it looks good. It's 96 pages. So you're not looking at a comic book that's 23 pages long for $7.99. So I think that's where a lot of the outrage is at. You're not getting a normal floppy. You're not going to pick up Batman 82 that just came out and have it be $7.99. Absolutely not. What we're talking about is the better quality book. So this says DC Comics is rumored to be jacking up the line by introducing new titles featuring Batman, Superman, and Green Lantern, more priced at $7.99. Again, they're going to go over, it says it's claimed that DC Comics replaced all of the core characters in its 5G promotional event. It's not claimed, it's basically confirmed at this point. I've talked a lot about this. It's reminiscent of the politically correct Alex Alonso era, the Marvel Initiative now. We saw Iron Man replaced. We saw all of these things happen, but there was no other source of reading when it came to Marvel at that time. It's not like you could pick up their version of Black Label and get a good Batman story. You could not. That is where DC is doing a good job at this. DC is saying, look, we don't know. They should know, but they don't know if this is going to go over well. So we are going to give you an option to read still what you love and enjoy. And honestly, I can tell you personally, the most books I buy are from Black Label. Like, I still have my pull, of course. I still read Detective Comics. I still read Red Hood. I still read Batman. All of these things I still read. Green Lantern, so on and so forth. I still read those. But the books I can tell you that I enjoy the most are from Black Label. The only one that I wasn't as big of a fan was the Superman one. Harleen's been good. Killer Smile, I'm still trying to get to that review. It was fantastic. All of the books have been good. Damned, all three of them were fantastic. I do like the creative team on that. Anyways, but still, they have been very well done. Every single one of them. So when you're looking at this $7.99, you're getting good quality books. You're getting big, oversized books. You're getting a thick spine. You're getting the best creative team on it. You're paying for those things. So, like I said in the beginning, you're supporting the good writing. Now, will this come back and be like, okay, so we see that obviously this 5G initiative isn't working. People don't like Luke Fox as Batman. People don't like Cassie Wonder Woman. So we need to head back in that direction, and possibly, if the Black Labels are supported, whereas the floppies are not, will it head back to the normal direction? I could honestly see that happening. But I think a lot of people are just saying, this is bad, this is bad, this is bad. No, it's not really that bad. It is said that 5G, like I said before, will have Luke Fox as Batman, Jonathan Kent as Superman, the kid of Captain, I cannot remember his name. I'll put the link to my videos about 5G. I've done 2 at this point, as the Flash. And then we have, it says Teen Lantern or Far Sector as Green Lantern. As far as I know, and what I have seen, it's going to be Far Sector. I don't know though, like we'll see. Says a launch of a number of new oversized titles starring Batman, Bruce Wayne, Clark Kent, Superman, Diana, Wonder Woman, Arthur Curry, Aquaman, Hal Jordan as Green Lantern, and Barry Allen and or Wally Wash as, if I could talk, it'd be a miracle, as the Flash at $7.99. I'll pay it. I'm going to be the first to say that I will pay for the quality, because there's no point in me buying some, like I bought Batman 82. Why? Like I literally wasted $5. But I bought Harleen at $7.99 and it was worth every single penny. That's what these people that are, saying it's so outrageous don't seem to get. You're paying for the quality. So basically what we see DC Comics is doing is that they're charging their customers for more titles. They want the original, most popular characters, and while the title that nobody wants will cost less. Again, at least there's an option where Marvel did the same thing and left no options available if you wanted to read Tony Stark's Iron Man. A bit of a bait and switch, don't you think? No, not even a little bit. Maybe those rumors of DC Comics being in dire straits are true, and that if things don't pick up, hence the new prices, DC will indeed be sold off by AT&T. No, I actually don't see that happening. I do think there is problems with, obviously, the comic books. When I was little, it'd be a record. They sold 1 million comics. Now it's like, okay, Batman sells 100,000, and that's great. And it's good numbers right now. Yes, obviously, the market has gone down. Now, do I think that DC Comics is going to cease to exist? Absolutely not. What sells right now? Superhero popcorn flicks. So they have this basically test audience. In a way, we are the test audience to these movies. We're whatever story sells, whether it's Nightfall, whether it's City of Bane, it doesn't matter. They test it out on us through our reading. And those stories usually either go to animated films, which DC has amazing animated films, or go to the big screen. We did see like Joker, isn't that almost at $1 billion? So as far as this being outrageous, no, I don't think so at all. Like, and you can, I go to the pawn shop and I get back issues. Like, they're like $1 a piece sometimes, even less. So if you're really wanting to read comic books, there's an avenue for you there to read the books. And I don't think that these are bad. So I actually want to go through what I have here. I'm just showing a little bit. I want to show the size difference is basically what I mean. So I have Harleen and Damned here. You can tell that they are obviously a good size. If you put the Battle Axe right on top of it, you can see the huge size difference. And even when you open it up, put it in there, there's a huge difference. The spine, a huge difference. There is a increase in quality when it comes to these Black Label books. They hold up. You can open them, you can read them, you can put them back, put a book on top of them, and they're like new. So I don't see this as a big deal at all. I think some people just, I'm guilty of it. Oh my God, the outrage. I'm going to do a story about it. I'm guilty of it. I can't even say I'm not. But I just see people being like, seeing that price tag, not reading into the full story. Yes, it is an increase. Yes, even for Black Label, it's a little bit of an increase. But $2. But the quality's there. At the end of the day, the quality's there. The artistic talent, the writers, everything about those books are good. So I don't see this as a big deal at all. Let me know what you guys think. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Hey, I want to give a huge shout out to my Subscribe Star and Patreons. You guys literally make this channel possible. Thank you so much, Sanjuro, Way Else One, BG Torrance, Black Knight Fool, Brucey, Grand Smear, Jeffrey Allen Carnes, Jeremy Burtz, Mike Buckner, Robert, and Timothy French. You guys are freaking amazing. Thank you so much, and make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.